model, 65-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 100PS 290 L2H3 front-wheel drive, fridge van super clean. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 148,582. MOT, the 21st of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbocharger needs replacing and then you will have a great van. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean for the age and mileage. Interior is also very clean with loads of life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and has been converted into a fridge van, genuine honest van. Well looked after, with just a little bit of TLC this van could be back on the road making you money.